is the car show for the benefit of our local Salvation Army. And as you saw by the thumbnail, I was allowed to sit in a brand new police car. And as I was in there, I was pretending like I was gonna go bust somebody. I don't know if I can talk over this music or not, but I'm gonna try. What I think I'll do is stay down here in this nether area and just try to stay away from the music and just film some cars down here. Probably be a short video. These are pretty cool cars over here. How do you like the blue? The blue seems to be a popular color for these older cars, these hot rod type cars. Now my brother has one that's similar to this one. It's a 40 Ford. I don't know what that one is. I don't think it's a Ford.
Metal. Why do you want to put metal on it?
Oh boy. I don't think he's going anywhere.
You go to Staples.
Over here we have a big tall truck. This is mostly newer cars up through here. There is one little, looks like a Pontiac maybe. That's cute, but I'm not going up there because of the music. Let's go over this way. Big giant truck. Big, tall truck. Big giant wheels. Whoa, listen to that. Somebody's getting on it. We got a Mercedes, but I don't think that's part of the deal. There's a Chevy, right? Is that like a Chevelle? What is that? Wow, listen to that thing. Come here. Camaro. Oh, that's maybe, I don't know, that's up in there somewhere.
Everyone I see.
It's a Camaro.
They left the chrome. The center was black.
Okay, we got an old truck over here. This was the car I was in. It was very fun. It was the state police car. You want to see inside of that? Okay, this is something you can definitely learn from. You don't want to learn from like experience, but you can see what's in it. I did ask him before I got in it if there was any cooties in it. He said no, it's brand new. So I guess no prisoners or anything were in there before. Very pretty Corvette. Red Corvette. I can't beat a red Corvette. Here's the that's just so uncalled for. And it's a piece of junk. Oh my gosh.
I guess you're allowed to do that.
I don't know, but did you see the shape of that car?
The police is sitting right here.
That's true. Get that thing going and get after it.
Maybe he didn't get the memo because he didn't come in and register. But please, there are no burnouts, no donuts, no drifting, no two-stepping. We would really appreciate it if we could come back next year.
Yeah.
We appreciate Chambersburg Police and the state police being here with us. It's kind of idiotic to do that right in front of them.
Really.
Each their own, I guess.
Amen to that. Okay, before the music blares and blasts and I get a copyright thing, I'm gonna go. Very short video. So take care. Bye for now.